Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about crypto.com, Crocoin, because today we are taking a beating in the market and I want to take a look at that. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So guys, first things first, I want to talk about how every day now for the past 5 days I've been getting a call to action here to target crypto.com, to reach out to crypto.com and Chris Marszalek and ask for a buyback and burn of Crocoin with a percentage of quarterly profits. I do believe we can do this if we come together, guys. So go follow me, 333 Blacksea, over on Twitter, and let's really push this message to them. Let's strengthen numbers, guys. If we really push this, I do believe there is a chance that they will implement a quarterly buyback and burn with their profits from their company. I do believe that's possible. But guys, today we are having quite a red day. People are not very happy. Bitcoin is down below $58,000. I do not like to see that, but we're going to take a look at the charts and I'll show you. It's not over just yet. There is some hopium to be thinking about. Bitcoin dominance trading at 53.51%. When you exclude stablecoins, basically 55.61%. Such small deviations for these big moves, these big sell-offs. But in retrospect, when you zoom out, we're going to look back on this and realize they weren't really that big of moves at all. And in spirit of the market selling off, I'm going to do a giveaway. If you guys can get me to 500 followers on Instagram at 333 Blacksea by, let's say, next Sunday, I will give away $1,000 with a Crocoin, Caw, any crypto you really want. So go follow me there, 333 Blacksea on Instagram. Get me to 500 followers. I'll give $1,000 away. But now let's take a look at Crocoin and let's take a look at Bitcoin. So Crocoin right now is honestly holding up relatively well with all things considered. You know, we look at the daily. We still, like I said, guys, I was talking about this a while ago. If we were to break below this 10-cent level here, that we were going to come straight down to this basically 0.0830 level. And we are coming there. We're about to reach there right now, this yellow line right here. And I do expect, I would not be surprised if we get a touch off of it. And I also wouldn't expect to just float around that level. I don't think that we are going to penetrate through this into this no-go zone, I'll call it. We do not want to come below this yellow line, in between this yellow and blue line between 0.083 cents and 0.0689 cents. Wow, I haven't said that level in quite some time. I remember talking about that level for a significant amount of time back in September of 2023. I remember talking about that a lot in this section here. But we do not want to go into that no-go zone, guys. I'm going to write it out. This is a no-go. We do not want to come into this no-go zone. We do not want to see that happen. The only reason we will see something like that happen is if Bitcoin decides to not play nice. And there is a chance of that. There's a chance of that. But I want to say there's some hopium here. There is some hopium here. We zoom in here. We are still above this very, very key level of $58,000 on the daily. We do not want to see a daily candle closure below $58,000. It's very important that that does not happen. If this yellow line right here, the bottom of this channel, this heavy, heavy support gets broken, unfortunately, guys, I do believe that we're probably in for some more downside momentum. I mean, you can even see like the money flow is coming out of Bitcoin. Germany is dumping over $2 billion of Bitcoin. It's a lot of things right now. Mt. Gox as well is giving their Bitcoin back to the users that deserve it, but potentially that means there's more dumping to come. But I really want to emphasize, guys, just because we are where we are right now is it's not the end of it. It's not the end of the world here. We're still maintaining. This still is holding support, which is absolutely incredible. But if we do break below this, then our next step is probably looking at the $52,000 to $49,000 price levels, which I know you guys don't want to hear. And we're probably looking at a much longer consolidation phase and a corrective move, probably for the next few months. I'm talking probably into October, maybe even November. It's possible, guys. This is very important that we stay above this level on Bitcoin. Just keep that in mind. Crocoin, it's holding up relatively well. Bitcoin dominance, in my opinion, has kind of topped out, especially when we reached that 57% level semi-recently. Until Bitcoin decides to make this big impulse wave to the upside or to the downside, we're probably going to see Crocoin be a stable coin and trade sideways. And as of right now, we're holding up. As long as we don't come below this 0.0830 level, I'm not going to say the sky is falling on Crocoin. Guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Just be patient. You guys need to be patient. I know it's hard to be patient and not panic sell when you're seeing Bitcoin come down when everyone's calling for new all-time highs. But usually, right after a time of frustration, there's a breakthrough. So just keep that in mind. We have some awesome sign-on bonuses to Blowfin down below this video in the description box. We have a $5,000 sign-on bonus to Blowfin, a $4,100 sign-on bonus to Femex. All you do is click the link, deposit, trade a little bit, claim a bunch of awesome bonuses. But that's all I got for you guys. Really, let's get this message to crypto.com. Let's push this Crocoin burn. Let's get in front of them. Let's start a conversation. Let's blow this up. Let's get people to know that this is the way that Crocoin can go to $1, $5, and beyond. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.